Hello, and welcome to Lonely AstroBears Space Agency, a community for lonely artists and collectors, where you are welcome to create, educate, and collaborate on anything art and NFT. Putting oneself out in the world can be one of the terrifying and most intimidating things for some, so I invite you to join our Discord server to become part of this community. But if you're not ready, that's okay as well. It will always be open to anyone and everyone, so we hope to see you drop by and say hi. You may also follow our social media pages linked below if you only wish to see updates on the community. Chapter 1. For our very first NFT series, we will talk about the basics of NFT and launching an NFT project. Hindi pa tayo dito magtatakal ng deeper aspects of NFT and its creation, tulad ng Web3, code development, at smart contracts. Bagkus, ang pagtutuunan muna natin ng pansin ay ang kahulugan ng NFT, ang creative side ng paggawa nito, at kung papaano at saan ito maaaring ilagay at kung papalarin, maibebenta. A little disclaimer, this video series is based on extensive research and first-hand experience in creating an NFT project. It is by no means perfect and can be subject to corrections and changes given that the technology is fresh and new. This series is also by no means the only correct way to get started in creating NFTs, but merely a simplified tutorial on how to get into it. Now that we have that out of the way, let's start.